Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to learn myself, practice Arabic alphabets. That is okay. So Arabic alphabets is normally, uh, you know, probably the most read book, Quran, that is written in Arabic language. Even though the people across the globe, especially the Muslim community, they read this book on a daily basis, um, 5 times a day, you can say. Some of the passages from the Quran is read uh, every day, 5 times, even more, and on personal level. So there is a huge gap between this reading of Quran and understanding its text, its context, and its main purpose to teach people how to behave and how to stay safe and you know save others and help others how to be peaceful where you live. So I found this is amazing that people read it but don't understand it. Even myself, I can read Arabic text. Even I mean, I cannot say Arabic text. Actually, the Quranic text I can read, but I don't understand fully. So this is my first attempt, or I can say it's one of the many attempts I have done previously. But this time, I want to dedicate myself unless and until I finish learning the Quranic Arabic and understand it, and then teach others. So the purpose of this recording is to understand what I'm learning, and uh, the recording is purposefully I'm doing to enforce myself, to train myself to understand it more better way, because I don't have any environment to speak Arabic or learn from others. So it's kind of learn alone at home kind of environment, you can say. And I'm quite old and full-time working, so cannot dedicate or go to college or a weekend, even weekend class I cannot attend because I have family obligations, and it's impossible to go out and start learning in my circumstances. So what I will be doing is to dedicate myself a few moments a day, every day, and dedicate a part of the you know, course of Arabic to learn and then record that section. So what will happen, I hope, when I'm learning during my training, I mean the video recording session, it will be more memorable. I can remember more things in that way and actually use what I learned. That's the most important. What I learned in the video recording, I can use those knowledge, and hopefully that may be useful to others as well. I'm not sure that part, but it it is going to be useful for me. Sure. So let's start and begin the alphabets, how the Arabic alphabets are written, and starting from alif Bata up to Ya. So there are actually 28 letters. I'm going to start now. Bismillah. So this is how the alif is. It's drawn from the top to bottom, especially the letter is beginning of the word. So first of all, this Arabic alphabets are actually written from right to left. It's written not like English. English is written from you know from left to right. So this is how it's going to be. Let's start. Alif, ba, one dot below. Ba for boat, you can remember the English boat, and then one dot ba, and then this is ta. Ta, ta is the same boat, right? Same boat. So this is alif, ba for boat, same boat, right here, and then put two dot ta, ta, ta for two, ta. So this is ta, not ta. Actually, this is ta, ta. As the nearest is T. You can say T, but it's not T that's strong. It's a light T. Ta, ta. So let's again alif for a, a, or say umbrella. It's a sound. That is Amsterdam. Amsterdam. You can say amst or ask. That a sound. Ba, B for boat. Ba sound. The boat sound. Ba, ba, and ta, ta for you can say ta, 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 ta. So that's how alif ba ta. That's third three letters is written that way. And then next is same. You write the boat. Boat is written, and then you put three dot on top of it. So this is sa, sa. It's a very sound sa sound, but it's very light and polite sound. You can say sa, 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 salasa, salasa, sa, sa, sa. It's a sound. If you say the sound word, sound, sound, that sa, the light sa, not sa exactly, it's a sa. Then, so you remember the three boards exactly same, only the number of dots is changing. Let's do it again. Alif, ba, ta, and sa. B, one dot, ta, two dot, and sa, three dot. The position of dot is changing and the number also changing. Then you have Jim. Jim. Remember how I draw this from top and then down bottom and then dot. Jim. The same this shape is repeated three times. So this is called ha. Ha. It's not a ha that we usually say in English. That is in English. Ha is from you can say it's very inside throat, and this ha is ha is between your you can say end of your mouth. Ha ha. It's not inside, totally inside your you know throat. It's just beginning of the throat, or it's ending of mouth. You can say ha ha, and then ha 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 ha. This ha and ha, the position is same exactly, but this letter makes sound of gurgle. The gurgle when you do the water, uh, put water in your mouth and then do the gurgle. Um, so that gurgle ha sound, that sound is coming from that place. The ha ha, jim ha ha, jim ha ha, jim ha ha, and then dal. Dal is little similar to D English. Dal, and then another letter is Zal. It's the same shape, only the dot is extra in Zal. This is Dal, and this is Zal. So this one Zal, those, so those, that Zal, those, those, Zal. It's a very tricky sound between these two. This is dal, a little bit thick sound. Zal, it's a light sound. Zal, zalika, zal. Then you have raw, raw, and then the zay, zay. The shape is same, only difference is dot. So this is raw. English similar is R. Nearest is R. Zay, this is equal to zay. This is R equivalent to R. This is zay. And raw, and then zo, za, za, zaid. Seen. Then we have seen. Let's do it again. Seen, seen, and then write it again. That that will become a sheen. This is sheen. So there are actually two similar shape. One is seen, S equivalent, and then it's SH equivalent, SH sha. This is S and this is SH sha. Sa and sha. Swad. Then another difficult letter to sound. People usually say it's difficult. Even I also find it similar to other many Arabic letters. So this is sa, this is da, swad, 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 swa, swa. So when you are saying this word, letter, your mouth become round, swa, open and round. That's what I'm going to say. Sword. And when you say seen, your mouth becomes like, yeah, Joker's mouth, you can say. It's the opposite of sword. So when you say sword, your lips apart from the middle, so upper lip goes towards top and the lower lip down. So your mouth becomes a round, hollow sword. And when you say seen, you, your lips are not that apart, and it's not round. Instead, it is the cheeks are going aside. Seen. So that's the difference. Seen and saw. And though it's very difficult to describe it. When you say dog, it's a very thick sound. Dog. So when you hold um, tongue pressing towards the upper teeth lines. So all around your uh, upper teeth line, your tongue is forcing do, do. So that's how the sound is made of do, sod, and dog. Then another thick and heavy letter is to, to. This is T, but it's a more thicker than T, to. And then the, written same way, only difference is dot. The, the, to, the, zalim, the. So vibration, little vibration you can understand from this zalim, vibration, frequency or vibration you can get from this when you are pronouncing this zalim, zalim. So you can see the vibration. Ta. This is heavy letters. Ta, za. Then next is ein. This is ein. This letter is pronounced from inside your uh, throat. In the alif is pronounced is coming from inside. So when alif is pronounced, there is no what is called restriction in your throat. The air comes easily. But when ain is pronounced, the restraint, a force, and the throat is restrained to squeeze and make the sound. Ain, ain. So it seems like the air is blocked inside your throat, and then the sound is released. Ain. So it holds breath some moment and then release. So alif is hold for a moment and then release. You are saying alif and then ain. Those the string. Okay. Then similar shape is align, one dot. This is ein, align. Align is you can similarly in English G and H is aha, and aha is a GH equivalent. This is ein. This is align. Ein, align. Next is fa. Sorry, fa. And then similar shape but little bit different, and it is round. This is this one is similar to the ba, little bit ba, but here is one round place is there. That's a difference. This is fa, and then this one is qaf, qa, qaf, qa, qa. You can say it's a very thick qa, not equivalent English k. Cannot be because it's much thicker. Qa, and it is from inside your throat. Qa, or you can say end of your mouth where you pronounce ha. It's the same place where qa is also pronounced. Qa, ha. When you do the verbal, the ha sound release. When you don't do the verbal, the qa sound release. It's a nice and without noise. That is qa. Fa, qa, and then next is kaf. So this is English ka, almost exactly same as English ka. Kaf, fa, qa, ka, ka, fa, qa, ka, fa, qa, ka. Next is lam. Lam is English similar sound to L sound. And the next is meme. Meme. Meme for M, and English equivalent M. Known. Known and English equivalent N and known. Then wow. Wow. So O sound is like alphabet, Arabic alphabet, long alphabet. And then aha. This is English H. Aha. Or this way. Aha. Or it's easier to write this way also. Aha. Many way it can be written this way. Aha. Or this way. Aha. 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 And the next is yeah. Yeah has two dots beneath it. That's the yeah. E is a vowel. E vowel. The long E vowel for Arabic. Yeah. Yeah. Arabic has 28 letters. Or alphabets, and another is considered as another extra alphabet is Hamza, but this one is need more study because it is also used as Alif or Alif and Hamza. They are interchangeably used, but mainly in Quran only 28 letters are used. Let's just do a quick review of all the letters quickly. Alif, Ba, Ta, dal, val, ra, za, zay, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, lam, mim, nun, ha, ya. Finally, hamza. That's all Arabic alphabets, and it's easy actually if it is practice you know a few times. You will notice there are very similar kind of letters and just dot and number of dots, and with the position of the dots changing. Like one shape is ba, one shape is alif, and then one is ba, and then using this shape you have three letters: one, two, three. Alif, ba if you have one dot below, ta if you have two dot on top, and tha if you have three. Tha. So below is ba, two is ta, three is tha. So you see the English equivalent also is matching. Below is ba, two is tha, and three is tha. Then you have jim, ja, ja. You can say globe, ja, ja. And then if you have ha, ha means hollow, nothing, no dot. Hello, no, ha. Ha is here on top on dot. It's ha. So it's a gurgle like out, outside your throat. Ha. And then dal and zal, two letters. Re and zay, ra and zay is two letters. And then we have uh, seen and sheen, two letters. Swad and dal, two letters. Ta and tha, two letters. Ain and ghain, two letters. Fa, one letters. Qaf, one letters. Lam, mim, noon, and then ha and ya. So how many shapes you see in Arabic alphabet? This is all Arabic alphabets. Count it. Let's take different colors. Mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have all Arabic alphabets in within a 16 different kind of shape. That's amazing. And even within this 16 shape, you see a lot of similarities. Like this, fa and of is almost similar. One is round, another is similar to ba shape. And then you see the sheen, sheen. This section, the hook section, is similar to to, swad and dog. So this is again can be merged. And then you see the qaf and noon, yeah and noon similarity. And then jim, ha, they already merge into one, three letters, and then ayn and ayn merge into two. So this is actually, this hook is same, this is similar. And then dal and zal. Now dal is round and zal is open, a little bit straight. That's the difference. But it's actually a similar concept. That's a very good uh, outlook actually. The preview is very good. This only has few shapes, to total 16 different shapes, and that's total 28 different letters. Letters. It's amazing. Thanks. Hope I understand myself better. That Arabic writing should be much easier. Handwriting at least should be much easier.